This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 Spring Carlisle, doing our usual walkabout of plastic model kits. Check out this Lindbergh 33 Rolls Royce. Oh, that's beautiful. Get into the screen, Pammy. There we go. I'm going to start asking prices. 62, 3-in-1. Look at that, 98 cents. That is cool. That is cool. Just kind of, also you could get a Cadillac Baritz, Tempest, or Oldsmobile F85 station wagon. I gotta see what brand that is. That is interesting, weird one. Typical customization and accessories. Nice. What's weird, it does not have a brand on it. Isn't that strange? You guys probably understand what's going on. I just sit around and check this stuff out. 28 Ford by MPC. The AMT Corvette. Look at that. Modified 69. That's unusual at a 69. Multiple engine options. Oh, cool. Probably go into the carburation. Nice, definitely nice. 56 Ford, Vicky Hardtop, James Bond, Talladega. Oh, love it. All the monograms. Let's see what other oddball stuff we've got down here. Oh, there you go. The Johan Eldorado Snap-on kit. I'm not a fan of Snap-ons, but those are cool. 32 Lincoln. Nice, nice, nice. At Lindbergh. Oh, there's a 1970 Motorized Corvette. Oh, 3-in-1 customized. That is so cool. $1.60. Racing Porsche 911 from Ravel. Ertl with the 63 Corvette. That's a die-cast metal kit. Neat. There's some fun kits here. I'm going to go slow because I know last time y'all were saying, gee, Pam, go slower, go slower. There's some fun stuff here. And you know me, I'm going to pull some of the more unusual. Oh, what do we have up here? Oh, that's neat. Mercedes. And that's a Motorized Lindbergh 300 SL. That is too cool. With the rubber, oh, I remember those rubber bands. Yeah, the rubber band. That was so much fun. The Auburn Speedster. 63 Avanti. Love Avanti. Oh, gosh. A Panhard. Oh, 1891. Europe model kits. I'm not going to butcher the French name, but that is cool. That is cool. And Big Daddy Roth. Let's see what Ed Roth has over here. Angel Fink. Look at that. Oh, gosh. That is cool. Are we having fun yet, folks? Superbird up there. Connoisseur Classic. That's a Chrysler Imperial with LeBaron body. Mountain Goat. That is cool. That's a Jeep Commando. The Super B over there. Richard Petty's. Wow. 1906 Renault. Little Gasser show car. Some cool stuff. I'm just going to sweep nice and slow. Oh, look at that 53 Hudson Hornet. That is sweet. That is sweet. Oh, we've got some Heller stuff here. I always like them because they had weird stuff. There's a Range Rover. And this one I have to get over here. Yep. That's the K70, Volkswagen K70. That was the first front-wheel drive Volkswagen. We never got that over here. Of course, Heller has it. Oh, nice. Stutz Bearcat. I like that. That is cool. Some Japanese kits up there. Let's see what we can find. Not tall enough. Captain Scarlet. Interesting. Let's see what else we've got up there. More of the Captain Scarlet. Lotus turbine car, the 63 T-Bird, those famous Fords. Oh my gosh. This is great. Ford GT. Look at these kids. Now, which one would you pick up? Wow, there's always such really cool stuff from this guy. And you go slower, don't worry. Studebaker Lark. 3 ways to build it. From Johan. That is funky. That is so cool. TR3. I had one of those when I was a kid, a TR3. I'm not even going to try to pull those big kits, but this one I have to pull. 2-in-1, the Ferrari and the Jaguar. All they say is Ferrari, famous Italian racer. And it's, I don't know what it's supposed to be. 3-inch long when assembled. That is ITC, midget models. This weird stuff going in here is really what I really like. Hot Wheels Turbo Tracks, columns and packs, old-time autos, plastic scale models. Those boxes are so fragile I don't want to try to pull it out from the stack. Oops, sorry folks. Back there you'll see Maserati by Stromberg. Oh, the Pyro Cord, 37 Cord. Nice. That's the 812. Yeah, Dune Gypsy down there. Next to the Countach. Of course, we got Carroll Shelby's. The Series 1. Always lots of fun stuff. Little hot dogger, AMT, Fantasy, TV Dune Buggy, Opel GT, Yanko Camaro, 58 Chevy, 70 Challenger RT Drop Top by Ertl, cool. The Raiders Coach, that's by Barris. Interesting. Paul Revere and the Raiders. I remember them. 62 Corvette. Nice kit.